Good morning to you. Good morning to you. Good morning, everybody. Good morning to you. Bore da ffrindiau, sut wyt ti? Bore da ffrindiau, sut wyt ti? Bore da ffrindiau, sut wyt ti? Da iawn, diolch. Da iawn, everybody. Hello. Croeso I Hybeth Lyfrgell Canolog Caerdydd.
Welcome to Cardiff Central Library Hub.
Dwi'n Sian. I'm Sian.
Dwi'n Anna. I'm Anna.
Ac heddiw canu am pysgod. We're going to sing about fish. Dylen ni gynesu fyny. Shall we get warmed up, Anna?
Oh, yes.
Yeah? Are you ready to bounce? Bounce, yeah?
Bouncy Teddy.
Okay, here we go. What shall we do with the bouncy baby? What shall we do with the bouncing baby? What shall we do with the bouncing baby early in the morning? Bounce them up and down until they're giggling. Bounce them up and down until they're giggling. Bounce them up and down until they're giggling early in the morning. What shall we do with the tickly baby? What shall we do with the tickly baby? What shall we do with the tickly baby early in the morning? Give a little bounce and tickle them all over. Give a little bounce and tickle them all over. Give a little bounce and tickle them all over early in the morning. Woo! Woo, that was a good way to wake up, wasn't it?
The Teddies are wide awake as well now.
Now, allech chi roi eich llaw yn y awr. Can you put your hand in the air? Ready? Here we go. Un llaw I fyny, un llaw I lawr, un llaw I fyny, ac un llaw I law. How about fraich?
Fraich.
Un fraich I fyny, un fraich I lawr, un fraich I fyny, ac un fraich I lawr. Beth am traed? Un traed I fyny, un traed I lawr, un traed I fyny, ac un traed I lawr. Oh, da iawn,
Very
wow.
well done.
And you can keep going with that one all day, Anna.
You can, Sian.
If you want to. Now, awn ni I nofio efo'r pysgod. Shall we go for a swim with the fish?
Shall we go swimming,
I'm
everybody?
excited. I love fishy
this
songs. Here we go. All the fish are swimming in the water, swimming in the water, swimming in the water. All the fish are swimming in the water. Bubble, 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 bubble. Da iawn now. Oh, Anna.
Who's this, Sian?
All the sharks are jumping in the water, snapping in the water, snapping in the water. All the sharks are snapping in the water. Bubble, 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 bubble. How about jellyfish, Anna? Shall we wobble? All the jellies are wobbling in the water, wobbling in the water, wobbling in the water. All the jellies are wobbling in the water. Bubble, 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 bubble. Hey, da iawn! Nawr, yn Cymraeg,
Yn Cymraeg.
mae'r pysgodyn yn nofio yn y dŵr.
Un, dau.
Mae'r pysgodyn yn nofio yn y dŵr. Mae'r pysgodyn yn nofio yn y dŵr. Mae'r pysgodyn yn nofio, pysgodyn yn nofio, mae'r pysgodyn yn nofio yn y dŵr. Mae'r siarciau yn snapio yn y dŵr. Mae'r siarciau yn snapio yn y dŵr. Mae'r siarciau yn snapio, siarciau yn snapio, siarciau yn snapio yn y dŵr. Da iawn pawb. Nawr, mae'n amser I gwneud rhai cyfri. It's time to do a bit of counting.
We do some counting songs.
Shall we do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Are you ready to catch a fish, Anna?
I'm ready. Let's go.
Ready, everyone? 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let him go again. Why did you let him go? Because he bit my finger so. Which finger did he bite? This little finger on my right. Oh, da iawn. Anna, we're going to need that fish. Oh dear.
1 minute.
I got too excited and threw him away.
He went really far.
Now, Mae siarcod yn ofnus.
Un, dau,
Ydyn,
tri, pysgodyn ac marca siarca.
Sharks are a bit scary. And he's coming for the fish. Are you ready? Have you got the fish, Anna?
Un, dau,
Tri. Tri pysgodyn yn y môr, tri pysgodyn yn y dŵr, tri pysgodyn yn y dŵr, nofio, nofio, nofio. Marc y siarc yn bwyta un, marc y siarc yn bwyta un, marc y siarc yn bwyta un. Nofio, nofio, nofio. Dau pysgodyn yn y môr, dau pysgodyn yn y môr, dau pysgodyn yn y dŵr, nofio, nofio, nofio. Marc y siarc yn bwyta un, marc y siarc yn bwyta un, marc y siarc yn bwyta'r un. Nofio, nofio, nofio.
Oh dear, marca siarca.
Un pysgodyn. Un pysgodyn yn y môr, un pysgodyn yn y dŵr, un pysgodyn yn y dŵr, nofio, nofio, nofio. Oh, he's laughing.
Marca
Marca
siarca.
siarca bwyta un, marca siarca bwyta un, marca siarca bwyta un. Nofio, nofio, nofio. Da iawn.
Oh, it's escape.
Oh, well, we need that one back. Because, I don't even know where all our fish have gone, Anna. We'll have to use our hands. Because we're going to sing 3 little fishies swimming in the sea. You ready? 3 little fishies swimming in the sea, teasing Mr. Shark. You can't catch me, you can't catch me. Along came a shark, as quiet as can be, and snap! Little fishies swimming in the sea, teasing Mr. Shark. You can't catch me, you can't catch me.
Along came a shark,
As quiet
as can be,
and snap! One little fishy swimming in the sea, teasing Mr. Shark. You can't catch me, you can't catch me. Along came a shark, as quiet as can be, and snap! There were no fish left, and a very full shark.
You have had more than your share.
Time for bed now, Mark. Time for bed. Da iawn, pawb. Now,
Well done, everybody.
Amser, good night,
Fabulous.
son. Let's get loud, Anna. Shall we go for a row?
Can we row?
I think we should go for a row, row, row your boat. Are you
Got
ready
my
to
oars
row?
Ready, everybody.
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Rhigwm, cwch, tynnu di a tir. Rhigwm, oh my dear and here. You ready to keep rowing? Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. If you see a crocodile, don't forget to scream. Ah! It would be a shock to see a crocodile, wouldn't it? Rhigwm, cwch, tynnu di a tir. Os gwely di'r hen crocodile, cofio sgrechian wir. Ah! Very good, everyone. High drama in that one. Okay, I'm ready to do some shaking, Anna.
Oh, have we got the shakers today?
Anyone got a shaker at home? If you haven't, just clap your hands.
Maybe you've got a spoon.
Yeah? You ready? We shake and we shake and we stop. We shake and we shake and we stop. We shake and 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 we stop. Ysgwydda stopio. Ysgwydder, ysgwydder, stopio. Ysgwydder, 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 stopio. And you stretch. We stretch and we stretch and we stop. We stretch and we stretch and we stop. We stretch and 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 we stop. Ymestyn, ymestyn, a stopio. Ymestyn, ymestyn, a stopio. Ymestyn, 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 a stopio. Da iawn, pawb.
That's such a lovely song.
Oh, it's a good one, that one, isn't it? But now it's time to get a bit quiet.
Is it that time? What are we going to
Amser
sing today?
dawel. Dwi'n meddwl, rydyn ni'n ganu heno heno.
Oh, heno, heno.
I think we should sing heno heno. Are you ready? Heno heno hen blant bach. Heno heno hen blant bach. Dimma 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 hen blant bach. Dimma 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 hen blant bach. Cysgu, cysgu hen blant bach. Cysgu, cysgu hen blant bach. Dimma 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 hen blant bach. Dimma 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 hen blant bach.
Is anyone awake out there? Oh, I think they might have gone to sleep. Oh no, somebody's awake.
Good. Shall we sing goodbye to that one person that's awake?
Yes.
Yeah? Are you ready?
They're waving.
Goodbye to you. Goodbye to you. Goodbye, everybody. Goodbye to you. Hwyl fawr ffrindiau, hwyl fawr ffrindiau, hwyl fawr ffrindiau, mae'n amser dweud o fawr. Twralwran banta ni, banta ni, banta ni, twralwran banta ni, mae'n amser dweud hwyl fawr. Diolch yn fawr pawb, hwyl!